Welcome back to my channel. Stefan Wolf is here. Today something different. In front of the camera is my girlfriend and I'm behind the camera. So the premise of today's video: can she sharpen a knife? She watched a few of my videos and we had a very brief dry practice. In front of you see Norton Crystolon Coarse and fine combination oil stone and my trusted Chinese vegetable cleaver branded by IKEA and of course produced in China, cheap stainless steel. On the stone, mineral oil for cutting boards, food safe, and let's try. So she doesn't know what to do in this moment. She forgets all the things. No, that's wrong. Keep in mind that I do the knife just before the video. It was dull as a brick. That's not rehearsed, no training before that. Just a minute or two explaining, and some of my knowledge was absorbed, most of it forgotten, just in short time. But what I can see is that she's keeping consistent angle. It's a little bit too high, but it will do the job. The finger placement is not the best, but it's safe for the fingers. The pressure is wide, there is not much effort, not too much energy wasted. So damaging the blade is out of the question for now. Sharpening is easy, it's safe, it's a good hobby for people like me and you that are sharpaholics or knifeaholics. But for a wife or girlfriend or just a single lady, it's a useful skill, it's a basic skill. Norton Crystolon is one of the easiest stones to sharpen with. You can use, as I said, food safe mineral oil for cutting boards. You can use sewing machine oil, fine machine oil, ballisto. You can use olive oil. So easy for the household to obtain suitable lubricant. The stones are cheap, readily available. Of course, readily available in United States. We'll stop just for a second to see the progress. Just to show you, that's metal and abrasive particles. I'm checking for white reflection. Let's see. Well, there is a progress. You can see that her strokes are getting wider. She's trying to use the whole surface of the stone, which will minimize the work and maximize the results. show this video to your wife, to your girl, to your daughters, and try to teach them. Of course, I'm not proposing that this is the best video for teaching them, but show them, try them. It's a good skill, it's a useful skill, it's easy skill to acquire and easy skill to master. You cannot harm a knife very easy, so that's basically a piece of hardened steel, so you need to use power tools or be very abusive to damage a blade or cutting edge. Probably a few words from her. How is the feeling, darling?
Very repetitive.
Is it easy? Is it hard?
It's not hard. The hard part is maintaining somewhat consistent angle. That I'm not doing.
Well, we're trying, so and your English is far better than mine, so I can use you for narrating some of my videos. When you do a backstroke, this stroke, you lift the back end of the knife and you are starting on the edge. You can try going from here, from the base, and when the angle of the base is achieved, then you proceed. No, just a second. You're starting from here, not here, from here. And the opposite side is the same. Yes. No. Now you do the same thing in the opposite way. So flip the knife. You're starting from here. Start from here. The whole surface of the edge needs to touch the stone. Alright? No. Use the whole surface of the stone. Or try to use it. No, you're hitting the edge of the stone. Use the flat surface of the stone, not the edges. Yes, almost. Is it frustrating to give you advice when you're holding sharp knife?
If there's suddenly blood in the camera, we will know.
Okay. Let's try the sharpness. Again, oil and abrasive particles from the knife. Toss behind the camera. Yes, I see a burr raised, so you hit the apex and missed it. Just a couple of wide passes. Perfect. Another one like this. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Yes. Perfect. Couple more. Can I see the knife? Oh, that's good. It's not clean. Keep in mind that's the first time. So that's almost okay. I will change the stones. We are at the 10-minute mark. I'm not sure if the battery will hold up, but by the way, that's a Washita stone. The same thing. You hear different sound, different pitch. Yeah, the same. Does it sound quieter?
Yeah.
Does it feel smoother?
Less resistance.
Less resistance, okay. The same pressure, you don't need to apply much pressure. Is it satisfying to hear the smoothness of the stone?
Not really aficionado, but I can get used to this.
Your angle is not very consistent in the moment. Yes? When the backside is even, then you proceed to stroke. And that's your angle. Much better. Perfect. Yes. Now you can lift a couple of degrees the knife to do a micro bevel. Yes. Perfect. Yes. Keep the backside level. Yes. Again. No, that was a miss. Perfect. A little bit more force in your right hand when you're starting the movement. That was
needed or
needed, and that's too steep of an angle. A little bit less. Steeper? No, less steeper. Yes. Again on the back side. Perfect. Do a dozen of this and we are finished. I think we're okay. This video is fun. It's nice to see for difference. Me not in front of the camera and not sharpening the kitchen knives. Let's see. Ah, guys! Ha-ha! Not bad for the first time. I'm hoping you can see something. My position is not very good. It's not very consistent, but no, I was not accurate with the achievement of my girl. This is pretty decent. Yes. Quick rinse, please, under water. Still juice. So, water, drying, the oil is food safe. A couple of. Do you want to proceed?
And now my atrocious knife skills.
Is it sharp?
Yep.
Is it sharp enough?
Yep.
Are you happy with the result?
Yay!
Watch your fingers. So that was my battery reminding me that we are almost over with the juice. Guys, a long video, but different approach, different theme of the video, something that I have never tried in my channel, on my channel. Final words from you, darling? It was easy or it was hard?
It was fun.
It was fun? So you can sharpen knives.
With a little bit of practice.
Is it sharp now?
Yeah.
It's not as sharp as your knives that I sharpen, but
It's possible.
passable.
Yeah.
So you're happy.
Yeah.
It's a new skill for you.
Yes.
We will sharpen all the kitchen knives for the rest of our lives.
You'll do it.
Guys, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. And of course, thank you, my girl and my lovely lady. Have a nice day. Stay sharp. Ciao.